everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Cyber Review. Today we are talking with Chaitanya Kunthe about his book, Monkey Shakespeare Typewriter, Cybersecurity for Everyone. He is the co-founder of Risk Quotient, an experienced IT risk management professional with experience in building and managing teams of security professionals across the world. Hi CK, welcome to Cyber Review. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Sophia.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about yourself. How did you start it in cybersecurity?
Yeah, thank you. I've always been interested in technology, and even in my studying days, I've been doing MCSE, which is Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer, way back in 2000, 2002. And post that in my MBA, which is in telecom management, I did a little project on cybersecurity, and that really got me hooked. And from that time, I've been in the cybersecurity industry, and I've been running my own company for the last 10 years in cybersecurity.
So let's talk about your book. How did you come up with the name Monkey Shakespeare Typewriter, Cybersecurity for Everyone?
Yes, so the title is one of the most interesting and quirky parts of the book. And I believe to really understand the details, you must read the book. But I can give you a quick hint, just a quick flash. And that says it's about the infinite monkey theorem, which says that if you have an infinite number of monkeys and give them a typewriter each and give them infinite amount of time, they will come up with the complete works of Shakespeare. Now, how does that relate to cybersecurity? You have to read a couple of chapters in the book to understand.
That's such a clever name. So everybody should have a look at it to understand why you named your book like that. So tell us, who is this book for?
Oh, yes. This book is for absolutely everybody. So anybody who has anything to do in the cyber world should, read this book. Right? If you have a smartphone and you connect it to the internet, this book is for you. So if you're parents, if you're a senior citizen or a teenager, if you're a digital immigrant who's found out about technology later on in life, or you're born with a smartphone in your hand, either ways, this book is for you.
Okay, so let's go to the next question. What is the cyberverse? You talk about it on your book. You have a chapter about it. What is it?
Yes. Well, the cyberverse is a short for the cyber universe. Now, everything that happens in the world of computers and smartphones happens in the cyber world. So I have coined the word cyberverse to give people an idea that they are, indeed entering another world, another universe. And when you're stepping from the real world onto the world of computers, you're entering the cyber universe or the cyberverse. So it's just a catchy name to, let you know that you're moving from one universe to another.
Okay, so also in one of your chapters, you talk about protecting your crown jewels. What are those crown jewels?
Oh, yes, that's a very interesting question. So let me ask you a question in return to that. At home, do you have a locker or a safe?
I do.
Yes, and do you keep your valuables in it? What do you keep?
A passport, money, some important documents.
Yes, right. So crown jewels are those important digital jewels that have to be kept in a locker. So they are the equivalent of your passport. They're the equivalent of the jewelry of your diamonds that you keep locked. Even though you know that you're going to lock your house, you give extra protection to these crown jewels. But in the digital world, in the cyberverse, do we really do that? And that's what this book teaches you about, identifying those crown jewels in the cyberverse and then protecting them.
Okay, that sounds good. So where can we get your book and how we can reach out to you?
Oh, yes. So the book is available on Amazon. It's released. It's available for pre-order right now. You can book it for pre-order. And I think in the next day or two, you can also have the Kindle version available for it. We are working on an Audible version, which you can have an audiobook soon. So you byte of the internet. To reach out to me, you can always look me up on LinkedIn. On Twitter, I am on the handle practinfosec, which I'm sure I'll share with you. And you can email to me, chaitanyakunthe@gmail.com, which I will respond to.
Okay, so CK, thank you so much for your time. We wish you all the best with this book.
Thank you so much, Sophia.